Mathematics is not just a bunch of formulas. It can seem like math classes just throw endless equations and symbols at us. And it can be difficult to understand what this is all supposed to be about. To see what's really going on, let's take a look at another set of abstract symbols, musical notes. If a composer wants to communicate a piece of music to a musician, it needs to be written down with notes and musical symbols. These symbols are a way of taking all of the complexities and nuances of music and laying it all out in a concise way. But the power and beauty of a piece of music isn't the written notes on the page. It's in the sound they describe. The notation will communicate the various pitches and rhythms, but the life is in the sound. It can take some time to learn musical notation and make sense of all the symbols. But that doesn't mean that you need to be able to first decode a page full of notes in order to be inspired by a piece of music. If you want to help spark an interest in music in someone, you wouldn't first show them pages of notes. You would play the music for them. Similarly, an equation is just a set of symbols developed by people to describe ideas in math. Quantities can come together in novel ways and make patterns. Seeing how these patterns operate can help us figure out how the world around us works. They give us a powerful lens to use logic and reasoning to help build understanding. In order to communicate and work with these ideas, we've developed a language of symbols. But the life in the ideas doesn't live in the symbols. For example, it's possible to train a monkey to plunk out notes on a xylophone. The monkey may hit all the notes correctly, but you couldn't say that the monkey was a musician. Music is more than just being trained to hit notes. Similarly, you can train a student to solve an equation. They may get the correct answer, but you can't necessarily conclude that they are thinking mathematically. They may simply be a trained monkey. Math is about active thinking skills and mental flexibility, not being trained to merely pass a test. So why should we be surprised that so many people believe they are bad at math and don't see a point for it, when they are never shown what it actually is? We just see the notes, but we never hear the music.